So, after my 48-hour solo trip in Ubud, meet na natin ang group. Kaya welcome sa part 1 of our Canggu Valley trip. Diretso na ako sa Airbnb namin and in fairness, ang ganda niya. Yung room ko sa harapan ng pool. And may pa-surprise pa pala dapat dito. Hindi ko kasi alam na kasama yung pinsan ko and yung husband niya. Pero yung magaling kong kapatid na si Calvin, nag-sleep up pagdating ko.
Surprise yan eh. Alam mo, ini-imagine ko na eh. Anong unique? Pero tumadod pala ako, sabi ko, alam mo sasama tong mga to.
After isa quick swim and tambay sa pool with my brother and his friends, sayang naman kasi ang ganda dito. At dahil nag-afternoon nap pa sila, dahil flight nila kanina nung madaling araw at ako naman ay fresh from Ubud, naglakad-lakad muna and tambay sa beach for sunset. For dinner, we walk around and found this spot. In fairness, masarap siya. And syempre, a night out, which is our only night out the entire trip, but it was so much fun. Finally, nakasayaw na din ako dahil may mga kasama na. Kung napanood nyo yung Ubud episode, magigets nyo yung ibig ko sabihin. Anyway, bumili pa kami ng drinks after for a quick chill session sa bahay. Next day is basically for exploring Canggu and we found this place for lunch. Ganda ng spot, sarap ng food, then naglakad-lakad lang kami. As in literal na walking trip lang. Ang haba ng mga nilakad namin, taking photos anywhere and everywhere. And syempre, another cafe stop. Pero hindi kami pumunta dito talaga for the food. Pumunta kami for the rabbits. As in, pwede mo sila laruin at pakainin. Pero in fairness sa place, ang ganda ng interiors nila. Daming mga collections. Very museum vibe. But ang winner is the outdoor area. Very jungly, cozy. And kasama pa din yung mga rabbits. Tambay lang and got ourselves some snacks. Pero grabe, OMG. Yung banyo nila nakakatakot. As in, literal na scary. Anyway, it's time to head to the beach dahil malapit na mag-sunset. And we spent an hour just hanging out. Nakaupo lang sa sand and playing with the dog na feeling niya friend niya lahat ng asa beach. Sobrang cute niya as in. Nakipaglaro din sila ng soccer with other people and people watching din. Ang daming tao pero I don't mind. I find it comforting being with many people. Nakapareho mo lang ang trip. Yung gusto lang mag-chill sa beach and manood ng sunset. Of course, after is time for dinner. Ang cute nitong spot na to. And this is my very first nasi goreng dito sa Indonesia. Well, walking pa uwi, masyado kaming na-tempt nitong cookie shop as in tinawag niya yung pangalan ko. So, dessert muna tayo. And after is just a chilled card game sa bahay. So, that's our first 2 days in Canggu and can't wait to share what's next. So, until the next episode.